Hey, it's Caitlin with forestrydoors.com and AmeriRent Equipment. In today's video, I want to feature one of our newest products, the rear bumper guard manufactured by ArmorDillo for Kubota skid steer series 65, 75, 90, 95, and 97, and Bobcat T66. Today's video features the Kubota SVL97 model. Work sites can be hectic places with machinery or debris moving in all directions, but with the rear bumper guard, you can protect your investment from unexpected collisions and impacts to your rear door. Crafted from heavy-duty American steel, this guard is precision engineered to fit seamlessly onto your Kubota SVL. This guard offers unbeatable durability and reliability. The bumper guard protects from backing into hazards and keeps the corners and rear of the machine from unsightly and potentially expensive backing accidents. Installation is quick and straightforward, ensuring minimal downtime for your operation. It maintains factory tie-down points and installs without welding or drilling. The bumper keeps your machines looking good. Let's take a look at this quick installation video. Don't let unexpected accidents derail your construction projects. Invest in the rear bumper guard and keep your equipment protected and productive. Please visit our website at www.forestrydoors.com to purchase and learn more about this bumper guard and any other products they manufacture. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. As a thanks for watching this video, use code BUMPERCARD25 to receive $25 off your order. Thanks for watching, and until next time.